If you do not want anyone to know that you are wearing makeup, then keep watching. Let's start with DIY skin tint hair. Foundation with serum and moisturizer mix and apply. And for blending, I'm using Blue Heaven ka makeup sponge. This is so squishy and blends in seconds. I like to use brushes, but this sponge is quite good. I'm using this brow gel and ये हेली बेबी का brow है. And to front के तरफ में swipe करना है and then set. And you are good to go. This hack is great, saves time and effort, but you have to be a little careful. Next, I'm using this blush, and this is great for dry skin people, but I love this so much. It is amazingly hydrating and dewy. I like to dab this with tissue या फिर sponge ताकि इससे excess creaminess soak कर दे. इसके बाद I'm using lip oil. This is again a great product, highly pigmented. जो भी leftover product है मैं उसे eyelid पे भी लगा लूँगी. So this was our undetectable nude. You can totally go out like this, but if you want your face to shine, you can do a little highlighting. And I am using this duo stick and सबके shades मैं description box में mention कर दूँगी. इसी के साथ makeup हुआ complete. Hope you like the video. If yes, please like and subscribe and hit on the bell icon. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Take care.